Let me tell you a story. Liam had been feeling sad for a long time, but he didn't know how to make that sadness go away. He wanted to talk to somebody like a therapist or a family member, but he didn't have a lot of money. Liam was worried he couldn't afford a therapist, So one day Liam told his mom how he was feeling. His mom gave him a kind smile, and then she says, there are ways that we can help, even if it seems hard. And she explained that there are places that offer free help or help for less money. We can look for clinics, she said, or community centers that offer the support. So Liam's mom went online and found a place that offered free mental health counseling for kids. They're also called they called the doctor, and the doctor suggested some phone numbers for help and told them about special programs for families who need extra support. So Liam was talking to a therapist who made him feel really safe and understood. The therapist helped Liam find ways to handle his feelings and feel stronger. And Liam was so relieved that he didn't even have to worry about the money to get the help. So these places exist. And he learned that it's okay to ask for help, and there are people and places that actually is going to make sure that everyone can get the support that they need no matter what. Leave me a like, leave me a comment. There's a link to eternal life in the description, by the way.